I have my Radiolink D460 Turbot out here today. I'm flying it on 2S. Flies awesome on 2S and 3S. A little bit of wind out here today. Alright, let's get out here and launch. Launching. Very maneuverable little plane. Oh, look at that. Unlimited vertical on 2S. That's too cool. Not bad for 2S. And you can fly it with 3S. I really like to fly it with 3S. I fly it on 3S most of the time, but today I thought I'd come back out and test it on 2S again. It's been a while since I've flown it on 2S. Almost too much wind for it out here today. They are so good at Radiolink at picking out their power systems. What do you guys think of that plane? I think you could fly this one in a small space. Look at that. Look how tight that is. Okay. Fun's over. Starting to get my haptic. See if we can bring it in and land it. Give me a little bit of a breeze. A little bit of a breeze. I'm gonna have to go around. Too much altitude. Alright. Fine. A little more wind, I'd have had a vertical landing out of it. Awesome little plane. Oh, like I've said in the past, this is I think this is only their third plane they've ever come out with, and every one of them has been a huge success. It's so light. I think it's only 200 grams all up weight with 2S LiPo, and I usually fly it with 3. And it has unlimited vertical on both 2S and 3S, and you get a tremendous amount of flight time with it. Awesome plane. So you can fly this in a very, very small space. Anyway, that's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the air.